Disclaimer, all stunts performed in this video are done in a controlled professional environment where no one is able to get hurt.
I got a nigga standing on business for real, you see how he walk, That nigga put his life on the line when he went to the feds and talk. They think Rural Barbie lined him up. You wanna get face ashes like me, might as well be my son. I gave the clothes up off my back, you still couldn't put it on. I pressed a button on the back of the Glock, it's burst, I turned it on. I got a light skin with finger waves, bitch look like Neil Long. When they came along, my shorty knew what time it is. When she got to the crib, she took off her thong. She would get in my bed with outside clothes, ain't nothing but the music on. Glocks on, Drake, Gen 5, that's what we slide, niggas better hide, Drake's when we slide, Glock 10 with a button, niggas better.
So, but yeah, I'm probably just taking up to the highway right there. Oh, what, the interstate? Yeah. I'm going don't brake on the brakes yet, because the brake pads haven't been seated. So I don't want them to crack. What does that mean? Those guys are used? Well, they've been used now. I mean, I took it to the end of the block and back, so if you're gonna get them really hot, they're gonna crack. They gotta be like ridden normal for probably like 20 or 30 miles. They gotta go through a few heat cycles. So I should use the back brake for it? No, it'll be fine. Just use them, because that'll break them in. But if you really want to rape on them, now is not the time. But trust me, that's not good brakes. I appreciate it. I'm telling you that was good. Yeah, so you're in sport mode, and yeah, once you start riding, the ABS will calibrate. And then remember 1 up, 5 down, you're good to go. Does this have a stabilizer? Yeah. It's hidden inside here. Yep. Factory. I got rid of it for this.
Why?
Ducati's not very rideable.
No?
Not in town.
I was thinking about getting a Ducati.
They are way too fucking hot. They run hot. They will burn the hell out of your leg. Like just sitting in traffic.
Yeah.
Like the bottom of my thigh would get so damn hot, I would have to hold my leg out like this. It was a horrible bike, but it looks so damn good sitting in the front of the garage. They're poster bikes.
You want to do any better than 10K on it?
No, I can't. I've got 3 guys interested. Well, 2 others. And I'm gonna miss it.
Not even 95 right now?
No. I'll keep it. I'll keep it. So I bought it. I mean, I bought it for 11.5. So I mean, that's the loss I'm taking on it, and it's been a hell of a bike.
11.5?
That's what I bought it for, you.
Okay.
I mean, I still have the ad.
19,000 something. Only 1 key?
No, I have 2.
I know you're gonna enjoy it.
House is loaded with flies too.
Well, go back. Get away.
That dog.
Helmet do look good on it.
Said she's right on this with you?
Yeah.
Why doesn't she like it?
No, she likes it.
play dead when them shots fired. And you picked a side and you know them niggas down. I said niggas play dead when them shots fired. And you picked a side where you know them niggas lying. Come on, look, my homie called my phone about this bitch that I hit. It's crazy, he ain't check on my son or how the case is with. I just turn my slime out, I might just see how wet it get. I might just turn my slime up just to see how deep it get. When it's time to slide, you went on that hit and you got sick. I knew it was over, hit that ground. When it's time to slide, you went on that hit and you got sick. I knew it was over, hit that ground, the bro hit the shit, yeah. I knew it was over, hit that ground, the bro hit the shit, yeah.
What she's speeding for? Loud ass car. Yeah, they just built those things I wanted to buy. The whole complex. I wanted to not go through. Not go through. It's like, what the fuck? It's all cool. Got the Capitol deal. Anyway. That's crazy. I was on TikTok. This man gonna pull up on me. Hell no. Love you. Eat it. Oh, you gonna stick in your shirt? Okay.
for real, you see how he walk, That nigga put his life on the line when he went to the feds and talk. They think Rural Barbie lined him up and they burnt the chalk. Me and bro 16 lines of trish, you niggas is pop my songs, You wanna get face ass just like me, might as well be my son. I gave the clothes up off my back, you still couldn't put it on. I pressed the button on the back of the Glock, it's burst and I turned it on. I got a light skin wet finger waist, bitch look like neon long. Her time been plotting a bit for a minute, but dead wouldn't put me on. I don't like bitch, I do like my other bitch, I love when they getting along. She already knew what time it is when she got to the crib, she took off her thong. She would get in my bed with outside clothes, ain't nothing but the music